Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Monchhichi blind bag. So I went ahead and got one. I got two for my friend Lenny because I didn't know that she likes it. So let's open it up. Dun, 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 dun. If I could open it up. I think I can. Hopefully it's different. And yes, it is. So this is our new Monchhichi right here. I like that she has a bowl. The other one was thumb sucking.